Over the past 3 decades, three structural reforms have fundamentally reshaped how California's legislature works. Let's examine each, because together they reveal a sustained effort to fix the institution's failures. The first is redistricting. For most of California's history, the legislature drew its own districts, which created an obvious problem. Incumbents protected themselves, producing re-election rates above 95% and almost no competitive seats. It was textbook gerrymandering. Proposition 11 in 2008 took that power away, handing it to the California Citizens Redistricting Commission, an independent 14-member body of 5 Democrats, 5 Republicans, and 4 members of neither party. The commission must follow criteria in priority order, federal law, equal population, contiguity, communities of interest, with partisan advantage explicitly prohibited. The research suggests the commission's maps are meaningfully more competitive than the old legislative ones, with more seats where either party could plausibly win. The second reform is term limits. In 1990, voters passed Proposition 140, a direct reaction to the entrenchment of the Willie Brown speakership. The original limits were severe, 6 years in the Assembly, 8 in the Senate, as lifetime bans. The effects, by most assessments, were significantly negative for the institution. The legislature lost experienced members rapidly, eroding the institutional knowledge needed for complex policy. Power shifted to lobbyists, who stayed in Sacramento indefinitely and became the real repositories of expertise. And the governor gained leverage over inexperienced legislators. So in 2012, Proposition 28 revised the structure to a combined 12-year limit that can be served entirely in one chamber, encouraging deeper specialization. Early evidence suggests this modestly improved committee expertise. The third reform is the top 2 primary adopted by Proposition 14 in 2010. Under it, all candidates appear on a single primary ballot regardless of party, and the top 2 vote-getters advance to November, even if they're from the same party. The theory was that closed primaries in safe districts push nominees to ideological extremes, and opening the primary would favor moderates. The evidence is mixed. There's modest evidence of moderation in same-party matchups, but the legislature hasn't become dramatically more bipartisan, and the system creates odd dynamics like a general election where minority party voters have no candidate of their own party to support.